Hey everyone, welcome to the Analytical Coding. In the previous video, we explored what bookmarks are, how to create them, and where to apply them. But did you know that bookmarks have powerful options that control what gets saved? So, in this video, I will break down each bookmark option: data, display, current page, all visuals, and selected visuals. So, we can fully customize our reports. Let's get started. So when I click on these three buttons, we can see we are having different options like data, display, current page, all visuals and selected visuals. So let us see them one by one. So coming to the data option, when we check this data option, the bookmark will take the snapshot along with the data. That is filter selected, sort order and drill function. So here in the bar chart, let me choose this region as Europe, and now let us update this bar chart. So as the data is checked, let me update this. So whenever I update this, this bar chart will take the screenshot for this entire page along with the data, because we are having the data as checked in this particular option. Now, so in the pie chart, let us uncheck this data option and let us update this. Okay. Now let us go to the bar chart and clear these slicers. Yes. Now you can see that here we are having the original page. And now I am going to choose the region as Australia. Okay. Here you can see in this main page I am having the details for Australia. And when I click on pie chart, it is also showing details about the Australia. And when I click on bar chart, you can see that it is showing result for Europe. Why? Because whenever we captured that, we have used the Europe region and we have captured the bookmark, right? So for that, we have also chosen the data option. So data is also getting stored, and whenever we click on that bookmark, data is also getting displayed. And in case of pie chart, so again, let me clear this one and choose the Australia. See, in this Australia, so whenever I click on pie chart, it is getting adjusted for the region I have selected, right? Because we have unchecked the data option for that bookmark. So it does not capture for data, but it will be displayed for the region whatever we have selected. So that is the use of the data option in the bookmarks. So now let us see the second option, that is display. So display controls whether those visuals are shown or hidden when applying the bookmark. So for example, if we enable display, a visual that was hidden when saving the bookmark will remain hidden when you apply the bookmark. And if you disable the display, the visibility of visuals will not change when applying the bookmark. So now let us see that. So here we are having display checked. So when I click on bar chart, it shows the bar chart. And when I click on pie chart, it shows the pie chart. That is here this particular hidden or unhidden. So these are getting updated because we have checked that particular display option. Now let us uncheck this display option. Okay. And let us save update this particular pie chart. Let us go back to the bar chart now. So here we are having this particular bar chart and for the region Europe. And when I click on pie chart, you can see that we are not getting the pie chart here, but the region is getting updated to the Australia because we have disabled that particular display option. So when we disable the display option, the visibility of visuals will not change. That means the pie chart will not get be displayed. Only the bar chart will be displayed because it is not getting updated for this particular pie chart as we have disabled that particular display option. So that is the reason we need to check the display option whenever we are toggling between the visuals so that the display will get updated. So now let us see the third option, that is current page. So current page is nothing but switching to the associated page. So let us see what that is. When we add a detailed page, that is here I am going to create this another page and added some table and have added some columns. This is our detail page. So in this detail page I am going to create a bookmark. for this particular page and adding this to be a detail page. And now let us go back to our main page, and here click on insert buttons, and let us choose this particular information button, and in this particular format button let us switch on the action. Choose the action type as bookmark. Bookmark is detail page. Okay, so everything is set. Now when we click on this particular detail page, you can see that it is redirecting to the particular detail page, right? But what if we uncheck this particular current page and update this one? Now let us go back to the main page, and let me click on this particular information button. Even though I was clicking this, I am not able to redirect to that particular detail page because we have disabled the current page option for that bookmark, right? So whenever we check the current page, it will redirect it to the associated page for that bookmark. And but if we uncheck the current page option, it will not switch to the associated page. So that is the use of the current page. And next, so we have seen data, display and current page. So these tell us what properties of the visuals are saved. And next, coming to the all visuals and selected visuals. So these will say which visuals are affected. So coming to the all visuals, so the bookmark applies changes to all visuals on the page. Whereas coming to the selected visuals, so the bookmark applies changes only to the visuals you specifically selected before saving the bookmark. So now let us see them clearly. So let me add a bookmark, and I'm currently taking this particular page and adding this as a bookmark. So let us see first what all visuals is. So let me click on update. Now here I am selecting the product category as clothing, and let me hide this table. Okay, so this is our page. Now I wanted to see this all visuals bookmark. So when I click on that all visuals, you can see everything is changed. That is, we have hidden this particular table, but it is unhidden. And coming to the slicers, they are all reset because here we have used the all visuals bookmarks. So whenever we use all visuals, it captures the whole page. So whatever changes we have done, so all will be reset according to that particular bookmark. So that is the all visuals option. Now let us see the selected visuals option. Okay, now let me add a bookmark and rename it as selected visuals. And now let us select selected visuals. Okay, so in that selected visuals, I am going to choose this product category. So this particular selected visual should only affect. Now let us, so we have already clicked on selected visuals. Let us update this. So now again, let us choose this product category as clothing, and year to be 2024, customer segment to be corporate, and let us again hide this particular table. Okay, so this is our page. Product category is clothing. Now when I click on selected visuals, you can see that this particular product category is reset, but this particular table or remaining slicer are not at all affected because we have only chosen this particular selected visual and we have chosen the option selected visuals. Hence remaining any visuals will not affect. So these are the options, all visuals and selected visuals in Power BI Bookmarks. So we have seen bookmarks and its applications in the part 1 and bookmarks and its options in this part 2. So this is completely about bookmarks. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.